We're here at Dubai Airshow 2019. I'm here with Sharon Cooke from Airways International, all the way from New Zealand. Golly, golly, golly. Tell me a little bit about Airways International, first of all.
Sure. Airways International is the commercial arm of Airways New Zealand, which is New Zealand's air navigation service provider. We essentially commercialise Airways IP and work with other ANSPs in training, procedure design. We do some consulting and yeah, that mainly covers it, what we do. Yeah.
So tell me about your footprint here in the Gulf region, in the Middle East. Why is this an important sector for you? And what have you come here to Dubai Airshow to try and achieve?
So we've been working in this part of the world for well in excess of 20 years, predominantly in the training space. So we do a lot of work with Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Bahrain, Kuwait. We've got simulators in Lebanon and Kuwait. So that's really probably what we're known for in the region. But we're here to connect with our customers really and check in and network and talk about the pain points in the industry and stuff like that. Yeah.
And what are those pain points then?
Current pain points in the industry is one, the growth in the region and making sure we have enough resources to meet that growth and the congestion that causes. Drones and keeping our airports safe and also finding a way for drones to operate in uncontrolled airspace. Huge talking point in the industry at the moment, and we've developed a new solution in that space.
It's interesting because we see so many, even as I look around the show floor, just around the few stands around here, we're seeing so many different drone solutions, whether it's for civil, commercial or for defence purposes, and they really do present that challenge, which is a headache and an opportunity, I suggest for you.
Yeah, absolutely. And there's two aspects really. The first aspect is keeping our airports safe, and if you've got drones who are malicious drones, they don't want to be seen and they're up to no good. And then the second part of it is cooperative drones going about their business in uncontrolled airspace, delivering packages, making sure that they don't bang into each other, they don't drop stuff onto the travelling public below, and providing a network for them to operate safely. So yeah, very big talking point in the industry at the moment.
Before we go, Sharon, tell me what you've made of this year's Dubai Airshow. It's been a very busy one yet again.
Yeah, look, this is the first time that GATM has co-located with the airshow, and we think it's been great. It's the total aviation industry in the region. It's nice to be part of the buzz of the wider airshow, and yeah, we're really pleased to be here.
We're very pleased you're here as well. Sharon, thank you very much indeed for joining us on Dubai Airshow TV.
Thank you.